problem that has plagued Overwatch since day one is the character of Roadhog. Roadhog is a tank character and has been since the game's release in 2016. However, he has remained unbalanced to this day. Today, I will go over the problems of Roadhog and suggest how they can be fixed. Roadhog has a very high health pool, having a total of 600 HP. This is what makes him a tank, but I think that is still way too high. He can easily use this to live forever as you play Skyrim in your backline and kills everyone. This also makes it to where he has no counter, as he cannot be one shot unless you throw him off a cliff. Roadhog's gun does too much damage, and outdoes that of McCree, Reaper, even Pharah and Junkrat. The right click is even worse because it gives Roadhog an immense amount of range, which is totally unnecessary. Look at this. I'm 20 meters away from this bot, and I kill him in 2 shots. Totally unnecessary. Roadhog's hook is incredibly busted and the most overpowered part of his kit. The hook itself has a massive hitbox, is a stun, and has the ability to go around corners, through cooldowns and ults, and transcends space and time. The cooldown is totally unreasonable, as a massive projectile that can go anywhere is only on cooldown for 8 seconds. Plus, this ability enables Roadhog to one-shot any character in the game, which is totally unfair and unreasonable. This ability has no reason to be on any character in the whole game, let alone a tank character. Roadhog's E ability, Take a Breather, is incredibly overpowered self-healing that heals half of his health, and at the same time halves the damage he takes. This plays into the fact that Roadhog can sit in your backline playing Undertale for the entire game, considering if he gets hit, he can easily heal half of his health while taking minimal damage, get a kill, run away, and repeat. If he doesn't kill anyone, he can just heal and run away until he gets his cooldowns back, and then repeat the process. It's totally, completely unfair that he's able to do this. Roadhog's ultimate, Whole Hog, is completely, utterly unfair with its knockback and damage. With his ult, you can mow down any character within seconds, as you can just get them stuck in a corner and kill them with its immense damage before the ult is even halfway over. It's even worse when the tank combo is Zarya Roadhog, as they can combo ults, and before you know it, your whole team is dead. Whole Hog is probably the worst and most unfair ult in the entire game. Through this analysis, it is clear that Roadhog is the most incredibly busted, unfair character in all of Overwatch. But how can he be fixed? Well, I propose turning him into more of a tank character. I think that an essential feature for any tank character would be a shield. And I think that Roadhog's new shield should have a high health pool but be attached to him, unlike Orisa's shield. His health pool should be dropped to about 500, but make about half his health armor, similar to Winston. The armor makes sense because he has all this junk on him and surrounding him, you know? His damage output and range should be dropped way down. I propose that instead of a gun, he swings his hook around like a mace, dealing about 75 damage per hit, give or take. For Take a Breather, the self-healing aspect should be removed, but I feel like it could be incorporated into his new abilities. Instead of hooking his opponents for his shift ability, it should be replaced by Roadhog inhaling his juice and running at them with great speed, which would be hard to control, but he can slam into them and deal damage as he comes into contact with a wall, almost like Doomfist's punch. I also feel that Take a Breather could be incorporated into his ult. It would definitely be more balanced to include a stun as an ult, rather than an 8-second cooldown. So I propose that Roadhog should inhale his juice, and it smells so bad that it stuns everyone in a damage cone, similar to Winston's primary fire, with the stun being similar to Honest Sleep but a lot shorter. The juice can also act as a passive that lets him take 30% less knockback. Please, Blizzard. Please, Jeff Kaplan. Please, change Roadhog for me. He's way too overpowered and needs to be reworked completely in order to fulfill his tank role. 'Cause I'm getting close to the borderline.